Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. In this video we are going to see L&T. The company full form of our L&T is Laser Turbo started their hiring for freshers. I am going to explain everything about the Laser company. So watch the video till end. If you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. So this is their home page. They started their hiring for opportunity for engineering graduate in 2022. On the introduction of the program, from all branches they are hiring. This is all their graduates from postgraduate, undergraduate, junior engineering training, management and post graduation and chartered accountant. This all everything they are mentioned in the company login page, and we are going to see now. This is the application form. Graduation 2022 year. You should be Indian national born after 1998. 4 years plus 8 semester full-time course plus 10th 12th diploma student already graduated in 2022 or accepted to graduate by August 2022. 4 years plus 8 semesters should be there, and aggregate B.Tech should be more than 65%. No backlog. During B courses all should have been cleared in first attempt itself. No backup passed or live during B course they are mentioning here, and any subject paper not cleared during the usual attempt and reattempt whatsoever reason will be considered as a second attempt. Aggregate for 10th and SLC diploma in any engineering stream should have been more than 70% each. You should have completed your 12th within 2 years after completing 10th, diploma within 3 years after 10th. So this is all the eligible criteria and graduation engineering for 2022. And this is all the basic details we are going to fill now. Your name as per the Aadhaar card. I am keeping Rajesh. As per the Aadhaar card you are going to fill the name and your number and your email ID at gmail.com. You should fill completely. Please enter. And date of birth you should keep. Click here. So the date of birth should be in between 1998 to 2003 only they are given. So in between only you can apply. So I just go on with the 2001. You can apply October. Then only it will be valid. You just want to give male or female. 10th percentage, 88, 12th percentage. Same 89. College name, you can search it or type your college name. It's your wish to search or wait, it's your wish. B.Tech, I'm going for B.Tech. Discipline in which stream, mechanical or engineering. Year of passing 2022 should be there. Graduation percentage they are asking. I'm going here. You just want to choose here and click all this and apply now. This is what they are mentioning. The easy process for the application form. So apply as much quickly, it will be helpful for you. If you have any doubt while filling this form, just comment me in the comment section. So good hiring. So no one introduced this company opportunity in YouTube. So I'm just search it after a few long days. I get a news from that. So share to your friends and subscribe to my channel. Then only you may get a more about from my channel. If you have any doubt, once again I am saying comment me in the comment section. I will clarify your doubt. Thanks for watching this channel.